Hi, my name's Jon. Welcome to my channel, Real Reviews. Today I'm going to show you why I love the Bissell CrossWave HydroSteam Plus Wet Dry Vac. If this short video helps you, please like and subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to ring the notification bell so you can be notified of future reviews. Most videos you see online are fake. They pour chocolate syrup or tomato paste on the floor, run the machine once, and call it clean. This is not that. This is my dog Goose, and this is the floor I haven't cleaned in about 4 weeks, and you're about to see how dirty it is. There's pet hair and pet dirt all over the floors. And in the pantry we've got dried in food spills, caked on chocolate syrup around the waste bins, and general food stains in the main working area of the kitchen. Let's see what this machine can really do. This is where the Bissell CrossWave HydroSteam really stands out among the competition. It does 3 things at once. 1, vacuuming. Here you can see it picking up the pet hair. 2, washing, removing dried-in stains. And 3, using steam to melt away stains and sanitize your floors. So instead of vacuuming, mopping, and scrubbing stubborn stains by hand, you can do it all with one tool, the Bissell CrossWave HydroSteam Plus Wet Dry Vac. Finally, into the pantry for those tough, dried-in spills around the trash cans. Here you can see the Bissell remove the first spill stain in just 2 passes. That was easy. Let's look at that from another camera angle. I thought that would take a lot more passes. I'm really impressed. Okay, now for the hard one. Here you can see I can barely even remove any of the caked on chocolate with my thumbnail. Let's see what the Bissell can do. After the pass, I can tell it's going to take quite a few more passes to get this off. Normally I would scrape most of this off with a plastic putty knife first, but let's give the Bissell a chance on its own. If I hover over it, the steam starts to soften and melt the chocolate. After multiple passes, it's completely gone. In a real-world situation, I'd remove most of the buildup first, then use the Bissell to finish the job. Now let's recreate a major spill using a can of crushed tomatoes. Before we jump in, it's important to point out the Bissell CrossWave isn't really designed for large spills with chunks like this. It uses a more enclosed brush chamber with a targeted steam system for removing difficult stains. So in a real situation like this, I would naturally wipe up most of the mess with a paper towel first, and then come back with the Bissell using its cleaning formula to break down the stain, remove any lingering odor, and sanitize the floor. Now let's test the Bissell CrossWave on a dried-in, sticky grape juice stain that I put on the floor just for this test. This stain is about 5 days old, and honestly my wife was starting to wonder if it was going to leave a permanent mark. Take a guess, how many passes do you think this will take? You can actually see the steam starting to break down that hardened grape juice stain. I'm really impressed. About 95% of it is gone in just 3 passes. Another thing I love about the Bissell CrossWave, it has a self-cleaning cycle for the brush roll, so you're never left with a dirty or odor-causing brush. The brush is easy to remove, and there are different brushes available for different jobs. You can also take the brush out and let it dry, which helps keep everything clean and fresh between uses. You will love Bissell's specialized CrossWave formulas. From oxy-powered pet odor and bacteria eliminators to targeted solutions for dried-in stains. They deliver a professional-grade clean on sealed hardwoods, tile, and even area rugs. I've been using the Bissell CrossWave HydroSteam Plus Wet Dry Vac for about 6 months now, and I really love it. It lays down just the right amount of steam and water every time, and it makes the floors look and smell great. The water tanks are easy to remove and clean, which makes the whole process simple and hassle-free. The 2 things that really stand out to me about Bissell floor cleaning products are how well they handle pet hair and how they've refined the use of steam to help break down stains that would otherwise be difficult to remove. I highly recommend the Bissell CrossWave HydroSteam Plus Wet Dry Vac. If you're interested in picking one up, I've left links in the description below for your convenience. Those links will also give you more details like what's included, current pricing, and available accessories, so you can make a decision for yourself. You can purchase it directly from Bissell or from Amazon, whichever's easier for you. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more real-world product reviews. And thanks again for watching this video.